Welcome back to Just 2 Minutes, Just a Mishnayos. This Mishnayos of the Nishmas, Fredeleh Basrachal, Neschus Vali Ritzchak Ben Gila, and their Fras, their Basirish, their Fush Lema. So Maseches Gittin, Perak Gimel, Mishnah Chas, and Mishnah Tes. Haminiach Peres Liyos Mafrishin Alei and Trumas Meister. So if someone has, let's say, a basket of apples, and he has to take Meistras. Let's say he has to take a tenth to give to the Kayan. So Mafresh Alei and Truma Meistras, so he's allowed to take Truma Meistras without actually being. Let's say he's out in the supermarket and he knows he has 10 apples at home, so he's allowed to now buy an apple and say, okay, this apple is going to be for my Maisa. Truma Meistras, Mois Liyos Mafresh Alei and Meister Sheni, or if he has money at home which he has to take Meister Sheni from. So Mafresh Alei B'Cheska Shen Kayamen, and he says, okay, this money I have here, this is going to be my Meister Sheni. So it's done by the Chazaka by assuming that the money or fruit that he has at home is still around, because you can only take Maisa from it if that money or fruit still exists. If he gets home and he finds that money or fruit is missing, so then we have to check if it got lost in the last 24 hours. Meaning, if that thing got lost before he took the Maisa, meaning, so let's say he had 10 apples and he said this apple is going to be my Maisa. So if we figure out that he said that before the apples got lost, so then it counts. But if he said it after the apples got lost, then this apple isn't Maisa, because he didn't, because it wasn't in his possession basically when he said it, because he doesn't know where it is now. This is according to Rabbi Elazar ben Shemua. Rabbi Yehuda says there's 3 times a year where we have to check the wine to see if it's still wine, not vinegar, in order to take Truma Meisers from it. At the end of Sukkot, Ubaitza Smader, and the time where the grapes, where the flowers fall off the vines and the grapes start growing, and when the grapes start getting juice in them so that they can be squeezed. Perak Dal Mishnah Aleph. If someone sends a get to his wife with a messenger and then he regrets it and wants to annul the get, and he sent a messenger after the messenger, and either he went running off the messenger or he sent another messenger to catch the messenger, and he tells him that get which I gave you is annulled, so it's cancelled out. If he managed to get to his wife, or he sent a messenger who managed to get to his wife before the original messenger, and said, this get which I sent to you isn't going to be a get, I changed my mind, I don't want to divorce you, so it's cancelled. But as soon as the get gets to her, even if he regretted it, as long as if he didn't manage to get to her or to the messenger first, if she got the get already, it's too late and he can't back out. And those are these Mishnayos.